Guys, welcome to this episode of Matt's Rad Show. We are headed to Blizzard Con today. It must be a very new con, Blizzard Dizzard, Doggy Fizzle Dizzard Bizzard Con. It must be a new con because it's very small. It's held in a high school, high school gymnasium, and so we're just gonna check it out. It's probably not gonna be a ton of stuff to film, but still be pretty cool. Still be some pretty cool stuff here on this episode. So let's check it out, guys. Blizzard Con.
Hey, how's it going?
How's the Blizzard Con going for you today?
Going all right.
Going pretty good. You find any crime?
I'm just, hanging around, checking it out, making sure everything stays in check.
Yeah, good. It should be an easier crowd to keep in check since it's a smaller con.
Oh yeah, totally.
You think?
So this is definitely a good one.
Yeah, it's cool. I like it, man. It's pretty small, but it's cool.
Yeah, it definitely makes things interesting.
Definitely. It's good stuff. Good to see you here, Batman. Glad you're serving and protecting. Excited about your movie coming out soon?
Yeah, we'll see how that goes.
You gonna kick Superman's butt for us?
We'll see. Hopefully. Should. You know what's gonna happen is we're gonna find out that it's Superman causing all the trouble. Probably. And then it'll probably end up being an instant team up. It's usually how they always go.
Well, there you go, folks. That could be it.
We'll see it. We'll see how it goes.
Cool, buddy.
Have a good one.
Thanks, Batman. I get my turtle hat out here.
Oh, even better.
Casey Jones in the house, man. Where's your stick? You got your stick? Nice, got your stick. See any punks around here, Casey?
Oh, not any punks yet. But I'm waiting for my buddy Rock to come here. He said he'd come soon.
Nice.
Not sure where.
See Bebop Rocksteady anywhere?
Not too yet, but I just see those guys drawing him up there. Maybe they're around somewhere.
All right, cool, man. All right, Casey, go kick some Foot Clan butt.
Yeah.
Did you make that yourself?
Yep.
Cool, man.
Yeah.
What'd you make that out of?
This is made out of, all of the material to like fix car pieces.
Yeah.
I basically just took a cardboard box, cut it out completely, stuck in all the pieces together, and then basically just slowly. That's one of my thoughts.
Nice.
That's how it came
awesome,
out.
dude.
So, yeah. Thanks.
Good work. Good work, man. I love it. Check it out. She's checking out Matt's Rad Show, you guys.
Where are these?
Are you gonna see it? Are you gonna check it out?
Totally gonna check it out.
Sweet. So what are you guys up to here?
We sell art.
Sell art?
Yeah, at Spring and Fall Con, so a couple times during the year we have this booth where we have like a spinning wheel game and we dress up like Batman characters. Right now we're just
I think I saw you guys. That was at MSP Con?
Yeah,
I saw you guys. I saw you guys doing that.
Yeah, I'm usually Harley, but right now I'm kind of lazy and I'm just kind of lazy.
Rocking the old school Wonder Woman.
Look at this. This was from like Goodwill and it's like, oh.
That's pretty good for Goodwill.
I love it. I think it's great.
Hey, I'm wearing the cover up boots. I don't even have
Yeah, look at you go. I like it. There's Batman again. I'm back. You're back.
Yeah, but yes, it's not. She's just so.
Dudes, I want to buy Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle action figures more than a grown man probably should. Alright, you're on.
Oh, it's
Mermaid Boy.
Mermaid Man.
Mermaid Man and Barnacle Boy. Awesome. Hey guys, we're here with Wingalings. This is Du's Wingalings. She's got loads of Wingalings. Are they specifically called Wingalings?
Yep, wingalings are my unique style of colorful wings that I make.
Can I call them Wingalingle-dingles?
Oh yeah, we call them wing wangs, whatever.
Wingawangers. And she's at the Renfest, so maybe look at my Renfest video and see if you can find them. I don't know if they're in there or not. I film wings. I remember filming wings.
Yep.
Filming wings.
There's a couple wing people out there want to run the new ones, do a little more of the colorful thing rather than the cellophane.
So if you're a cosplayer, look them up. Get some wings.
Yeah, come out to Fest to visit us, guys.
Wings always make a cosplay better.
That's right. Happy fluttering.
Thanks.
Thanks.
Baby of the week,
which is usually 25% off, and then we have different sales where we do half price and things like that.
Cool. So these are called zombie babies, or
yeah,
zombie babies, zombie dolls, zombie babies. Those were kind of interesting. Knitting! Look who it is, you guys!
Come on in. Hi.
Our new special friend! So, who you guys dressed up as today? If they don't already know, but you can say it anyway.
Blizzard, Poison Ivy,
And
Poison
Harley
Ivy.
Quinn.
Cool.
Minneapolis last year, and Michael Rooker comes in. So I go, oh my god! Like, chased him down. Can I get a picture with you? His bodyguard is there, and he goes, well ma'am, you need to step off. So embarrassed, and Michael Rooker, he goes, oh my god, you're that Con TV girl. How are you doing today?
Who are you guys, Con TV?
Yeah, we're Con TV.
Con TV.
Con TV, sweet.
You gotta download it.
What's Con TV?
So sorry, my bad. I will never speak to you again. My bad, bye. I don't know if I should apologize or pretend it didn't happen or...
Nerded out.
I totally nerded out, yeah.
Sorry, I didn't do this, I swear.
See guys, even beautiful people nerd out too. It's okay. Nerd out guys, it's okay now. It's okay. How long does it take to do your makeup?
Actually, my makeup for this one only took 45 minutes.
That's pretty good.
Yeah, and it's with an airbrush, which makes it go a lot faster.
You airbrush your face?
I airbrush my face.
Is that something you do as well? How do you airbrush your face?
Do you see how perfect she is? No, that's not something I do. I'm not at that level.
Yeah, I actually picked up a cheap airbrush on Amazon, and I use it for just basically my Harley makeup. Because it makes the white come out even instead of streaky, and then you don't have to put a ton of powder on, and it doesn't rub off super easy, which is really nice.
I was thinking about doing something like that for my face.
I think
Airbrush my beard on.
Actually, I've airbrushed my husband's hair green for his Joker cosplay.
Nice.
So you can,
there you go.
So you can airbrush hair too.
You can airbrush hair.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
I would like to challenge you to do a pink beard at the next con we're both at.
A pink beard?
Yeah.
Ooh, the challenge has been laid down, guys. I'll have to figure out how to do that. I don't even, how do you, somebody give me a comment on how to make my beard pink. I don't know how to do that. I like a challenge. I like a challenge.
Not a problem.
Get her done. Get her done. What if I shave my beard though?
No.
This stuff's awesome. What? Shut up and take my money.
Done.
Take my money. Take it.
Thank you.
This is mine. This is mine. Dude, check this out, dude. Shut up. $5, dude. Take my money. Take my money. Take my money.
Take your money?
Take my money.
I'll take it. I'll
Shut
take
up
it.
and take my money. This is awesome. Look at this. I had to get me a Yoda coaster for my coffee time. I think I'll do coffee time with you guys. Answer those questions. Do my coffee time with my Yoda mug. My Yoda thing. My Yoda coaster. Yeah, sure. Storm?
Did I pull it off?
The X-Men Storm? Can you make it rain or do something cool in here?
Okay, ready?
Ready. Cool. Ian, sorry?
Neko from K Project. Little sister from Bioshock.
And what's this thing?
This is an atom syringe and you stick it into bodies to collect stuff.
Yeah, cool. I love it. Thanks, guys. Character?
Zach Fair from Final Fantasy.
Cool, man. Love it. Good work. You guys, I just found Hipster Hermione Granger. Check this out. Hipster Hermione. It even sounds good.
You probably haven't heard of this spell. It's pretty advanced. You guys probably haven't even studied it yet.
That's awesome. Hipster Hermione. It even has a nice ring to it.
Hipster Hermione.
What's Hipster Hermione's Patronus? So what is that called?
Patronus?
Yes, what is
her Patronus? And my Patronus is an otter.
An otter. Is that yours personally or Hipster Hermione's?
That's Hipster Hermione's, but since we're going the hipster route, it would probably be like a meerkat or a prairie dog, something that you don't see as much, so that it's not as mainstream, you know?
That's true.
Yeah.
Now, does Hipster Hermione only use wands that have been cut down from like forests that can refurbish themselves.
Organically made wands that are harm-free.
Harm-free wands only. Now, does a harm-free wand?
No unicorns were harmed in the making.
Are unicorns organic? That doesn't even make sense. Found a sweet, awesome cosplayer. So tell me about your costume.
Oh yeah, this is just me.
Oh, I'm sorry. Oops. Is this Speed Racer?
Speed Racer.
Go, Speed Racer. Go, Speed Racer, go! So what kind of car are you driving around now, Speed Racer?
Oh, the Mach 5.
Yeah?
Actually, Mach 6 is in prototype.
Is it still working pretty good?
Yeah, it's still going. I dropped about 1,400 into it, but you know, you have to do that with upgrade on your cars.
Yeah, definitely. Well, I love it, buddy. You're looking great.
Thank you. So, yeah.
I gotta film this guy over here. Now I'm getting distracted. Dude, can I film you? You kind of, like, I got a Bob Ross and Chill shirt on.
Man, again, that happens at every convention.
Are you Bob Ross?
Shoot, I'm not at liberty to say, let's just say you didn't leave me any money.
That's awesome, dude. I love it. Appreciate it, man. Cool. You guys think it's time for me to head out of here? Let's get out of here a little bit so I can get some peace and quiet. Head on out of here. Excuse me.
That was a video game, decent.
Yeah, it's going good. Alrighty. Heading out.
We'll be back on
Bye. 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 Thanks for the con. Which way do I go to get... What's that? I have that hat. You do? Cool. I have this hat too. She's got my hat. Cool. So you're the mad scientist behind this convention, huh?
That's me. I'm Bjorn.
Is it the first one?
This is the first ever Blizzard World inaugural show. Yep.
Cool. So what are your kind of hopes and dreams for this show in the future?
Well, I was just hoping that people would show up and have a good time, and it looks like a awesome crowd. Lots of great help. I got my little sister, Kelly, and my mother helping out running the door, and some cool people that we know from around town coming in. And
cool.
So it met my expectations, and you know, everybody wants to do more shows, and they want it to be bigger, and so we're going to try and do that. We're going to bring in more artists and more vendors, and just
awesome, man.
you know, keep going. Maybe do like 3 of them a year or something like that.
Cool.
And, yeah.
Very cool, man. Well, thanks for the good time. I got some sweet stuff. All for 15 bucks too, so it's pretty. I'm feeling pretty stoked about it. So.
Cowabunga.
Cowabunga.
Cowabunga. Cowabunga.
Thanks. All right. Heading out. Heading out. Let me show you where this convention is. Oh, excuse me. This is where this convention was. It's just in some random like strip mall. And it's like it's an actual high school. They made a high school inside this strip mall. Oh, we're going outside. There's gonna be loads of sunshine out here. So anyways, it was cool. It was a cool show. Can you see my face? Can you see my face? Can you see my face? I don't like it. See my face. So thanks for watching this episode, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Check out some of my other conventions. I'll go ahead and link all my other conventions I've been to at the bottom of this video. Hopefully you guys can check those out too. And I will see you guys at Wizard World in Minneapolis. And also, hopefully, AniMinneapolis. So hopefully we'll get to both of them this year. So we'll see. Anyways, guys, thanks for joining me on this episode. Mass Rad Show. I appreciate you guys checking out the convention with me. It's the first time the dude has done the convention, so that's pretty cool. Good job, you. Good job. You go, dude. Do your. That was lame. You go, boy. I don't know what to say. I'm just trying to encourage you to keep doing the conventions because we here in Minneapolis love you for it, and we just want to say thank you for
for doing the convention. It's pretty cool. The more I can nerd out, the better. So I appreciate you organize this event for us. And yeah, so thanks guys for watching this episode. Matt's Rad Show. Till next time, I'll catch you on the flip side. See, I'm still trying to figure out something cool to say at the end of my show. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Okay, bye.
To tell you about your costume.
Oh yeah, this is just me.
Oh,